Farm workers are still working hard in those fields to get your favorite holiday meals on the table this year. As the pandemic wears on them as well, the toll on farm workers keeps adding up, we're told. In Monterey County, the health department is reporting 20 new COVID-19 cases in the ag industry today, for a total of nearly 3,000 cases in that sector. It's the industry with the most COVID-19 cases in Monterey County, at more than 20% of all of the cases. Now there's a push to make ag workers one of the first groups to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. And our KION's Alicia Machado explains why the union says it's so important for these workers to get priority. Alicia?
The UFW Foundation says it is imperative that field laborers be among the first to receive COVID-19 vaccines once they're available, because of the high rates this population of essential workers is contracting the virus. Picking, packing, and plowing. Farm workers have been in the field since the start of the pandemic, harvesting food for the community. But it's taken a toll on the workforce. Agriculture is the hardest hit industry in Monterey County.
The lines of the vegetables or whatever the crop is, it's close one to another.
Data shows the ag industry comprises about 20% of coronavirus cases in the county. Lauro Barajas with the United Farm Workers Union tells me there are a few reasons why these workers are so at risk. They travel together to work in buses or vans and are in close proximity when out in the field. Health officials say household transmission could be playing a role for ag workers as well.
Ag workers, because they've been working all along, they are an increased use of exposure, and they can bring COVID-19 back into the home.
Now the United Farm Workers sister organization, UFW Foundation, is pushing to get farm workers priority when a vaccine is available. Barajas says it's important for the field workers to have access.
By doing this, I think it's going to be a big relief. They went to work every single day, and I think that they deserve it.
Who gets priority once vaccines are available is up to the state. They've created a committee to help guide their decisions on vaccine distribution and allocation. The UFW Foundation's executive director is part of that team. County health officials say limited quantities of the vaccine could be available as early as mid-December. Now, healthcare workers will likely be prioritized in that first round, but we will continue to follow this as that committee releases more on their distribution plans. Reporting in Salinas, Alicia Machado, KION News Channel 546.